Welcome to Spring Boot class with iTeacher.
Welcome back to the channel. In this very first Spring Boot tutorial, we're going to let AI, specifically Claude Haiku 4.5, generate our code. We'll build a simple REST controller, and then take it one step further by adding a service class. Let's see how it all comes together. We're using Claude Haiku 4.5 as our AI agent, and you can use any agent you like. With just a simple prompt, it generates a REST controller for us. This saves time, reduces boilerplate, and lets us focus on the bigger picture. Now let's understand why service classes matter in Spring Boot. Point 1. Separation of concerns. Controllers should only handle HTTP requests and responses. Service classes encapsulate business logic, that is the actual functionality of your application. This separation makes your code cleaner and easier to maintain. Point 2. Reusability. Business logic in a service can be reused across multiple controllers. Example: a service class can be used by multiple controllers, for example, admin controller and profile controller. This avoids duplication and keeps logic centralized. Point 3. Dependency injection and manageability. Service classes are annotated with @service, making them Spring-managed beans. Spring automatically injects them into controllers or other services. This reduces boilerplate and makes testing mocking easier. Point 4. Scalability. As your application grows, you'll likely add repositories, multiple services, and complex workflows. Service classes act as the middle layer between controllers and repositories, keeping the architecture scalable. Point 5. Maintainability and readability. Developers can quickly identify where business logic lives. Service package. Controllers remain lightweight, improving readability. Easier to debug. You know whether an issue lies in the controller, request mapping, or service logic. Point 6. Best practices and industry standards. In enterprise applications, following layered architecture, controller, service, repository is considered best practice. It aligns with solid principles and makes your application more professional and production-ready. We'll let AI generate a Spring Boot service class for us. Then we'll run the application and hit our first endpoint on localhost 8080. Let's dive in. I'll start by giving a simple prompt to our AI agent. Generate a Spring Boot service class that returns a Hello World message. Modify controller to use service class. Let's see what it comes up with. Here's the service class. Notice the @service annotation. This tells Spring Boot to manage it as a bean. Inside, we've got a simple method that returns our Hello World message. Our controller now delegates the work to the service. This keeps the controller clean and makes the logic reusable. Let's run the application. Spring Boot starts up on port 8080 by default. And there it is, our Hello World message, served by the service class that AI generated for us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Maybe connecting this service to a database or adding more endpoints. And many more coming.